Hi, my name is Miss Collins, and this is my second year serving as an ESL teacher at Weddington Hills Elementary School. I am originally from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I have two children, ages 4 and 7, one of whom is also a Weddington Hills Wildcat. I graduated from UNC Chapel Hill with bachelor degrees in Spanish and elementary education. I also studied for certification in English as a second language during that time. I later returned to school at UNC Charlotte and studied reading education. I began my teaching career in Mexico, where I taught for 3 years in a little town called Miacatlan, Morelos. Upon returning to the States, I began with Cabarrus County Schools in 2008, and I have been here ever since. During that time, I have served as an ESL teacher and as a parent liaison. I am so excited to get started this year serving your children and helping them learn their language and their literacy skills. I look forward to meeting all of you soon. Bye.